everyone, it's Danielle Hayashi with Hayashi Trades. So today I want to talk about something a little different from what I normally do, and I want to talk about passive income, specifically dividends. Okay, well, what are dividends? Dividends are either monthly or quarterly, so every 3 month payouts from companies that are given to shareholders, kind of a financial reward incentive for being a stakeholder in the company. So I have two quarterly dividend stocks that I want to talk about that I think are really A plus solid, and then two monthly dividend stocks that I think are pretty solid. Okay, so my number one for dividend is Johnson & Johnson. Why do I like Johnson & Johnson? Well, first of all, Johnson & Johnson has been around for years and years and years, and they have a 24-year-old history of increasing their dividends. Not only that, but given the current situation, they're pioneers because they're trying to produce a vaccine for coronavirus. So I definitely think that's solid. And on top of all of that, they just increased their dividend from 95 cents to $1.01. So I think that given all that information, they are a solid company and they pay out a decent dividend that is increased year by year for 24 years. So good job, Johnson & Johnson. My number two is Lowe's. Now, Lowe's is a hardware department store, kind of like the cousin of Home Depot, and I think that there's a lot of people looking to improve their home and work on things in the future, and that's just going to be something that doesn't really change, and it's solid. And they've also have a long history of increasing their dividend for the past 17 years. Current dividend payout is 60 cents per share. Okay, now let's dig into the monthly dividends. My number one choice for monthly dividend is actually a REIT, which is a real estate investment trust, basically a company that generates income from a lot of real estate properties that are generating income as well. So it's a solid long-term investment, and real estate, in my opinion, is something that's always going to generate income and always be necessary to human beings. Literally, we need places to live. So that is ticker symbol O. They pay out monthly, as I said before. I have it right up here on my screen. And the annual payout, so every 12 months, $2.81, but the monthly payout for O is 23 cents per share. All right, so last but not least, Main. M-A-I-N, ticker symbol, oops, by my face, down at the bottom here. Main Street Capital. So this is also a stock. They focus on financial packaging. They kind of do like loans, and they help people repair their credit, things like that. So their payout history is 9 years of increased dividends, and they're currently paying out monthly 20 cents per share. So there you have it. My four monthly dividends are O and Main, and for quarterly, Johnson & Johnson and Lowe. And I will be linking down below this comprehensive list of the monthly dividend payouts, and as well a little bit more information on what REITs are, because I think REITs are the way forward as far as long-term investment in real estate goes, especially if you haven't quite got the capital or the knowledge to invest in actual real estate, such as like buying commercial properties or residential properties. Maybe it's something you want to do later, but you still want to benefit from the solid income that real estate has to offer. REITs are an excellent option to do so. Okay, so please like and subscribe if you've not already. If you have any questions, please comment them down below. I'll be happy to answer them for you. Happy passive income digging. Bye!